So Mike's been working on getting the walls cut open for the duct work to go upstairs from the basement. Here's the vent hole by the fireplace. There's one over here. Here's where one of the duct works are coming up for the bedroom upstairs, front bedroom, master bedroom. Here Mike is working in. Same thing, we've got a pipe that's gonna have to be cut out so he can run his duct work from the basement. And then I believe we still have one more vent to cut here because we're gonna rearrange the layout of the kitchen. And one here in the dining room. These are gonna come directly from the basement. The holes that are in the walls are the ones that are going to the upstairs. And here we're going upstairs. Here we have one vent. That's all that's gonna go in here. One vent in this bedroom, which is the master bedroom. We have one vent in the smaller room, and that boiler pipe will be removed and the hardwood floor replacing it. Going into the last room, this pipe here is gonna have to be cut out, and that's where the vent's gonna go.
Right here?
As we go into the bathroom, the laundry chute is gonna be for the duct work coming up from downstairs to the bathroom.